Actually, support you, Father Okunerere. Okay, I'll give you over 1 million. Yes, sir. So, no one ever. Agent, check, cash, 20 million. Thank God for you. See it. Arrangee. God is using him miraculously. I heard what Evangelist said one day, and God raised him up. Oh, what happened now? Oh, the Chineke lecharamabule, all I able to Amarachuku sileni webe ayime no mana watariana So now ihane for na kawana ngo one will give you testimony. Why you testimony over your papa sala. All no fake. You know one in amasi. I got talk about one can or the other. Always you. What will you have now? All no Charles. I must get on. Come on, I am. I want you to learn Malaya for nowhere. I want you to learn Malaya for nowhere. I will go wherever you go. I will go wherever you go. I am going to go there. I am going to go there.
I am not a staunch follower of Reverend Father Mbaka. I am not a staunch follower of Reverend Father Professor Paul Obi, aka Father Okunerere, and I am not a staunch follower of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. But by the virtue of the three of them being a Christian and a Catholic, I like them. You know, Evangelist Ebuka did a video, I think, sometimes last year, where he said, I cannot forget my days of little beginning. He did that video, I think, sometimes last year. And if you could remember, there is this video I did about Ebuka Obi and Father Mbaka, where I said what Ebuka Obi must do very urgently. I said Ebuka Obi must do everything humanly possible to ask for forgiveness from Reverend Father Mbaka, because Father Mbaka was part of his little beginning. When Ebuka Obi was a nobody, Father Mbaka was there for him. Father Mbaka was among those that anointed and supported Ebuka Obi from the onset. And he must also caution that lady that was attacking Reverend Father Mbaka from the United States of America. Father Mbaka was actually among those that contributed in Ebuka's little beginning. So yesterday I did a video and I was like, Ebuka Obi should visit Father Mbaka after visiting Reverend Father Professor Paul Obi, aka Okunerere, because Okuko adịghị echeze onye kwara ya ọdụ n'udu mmiri. Father Mbaka was there for Ebuka Obi. He anointed Ebuka Obi. I was waiting to see Ebuka Obi going to Reverend Father Mbaka, kneel before Father Mbaka and say, Father, forgive me because I have sinned. But Ebuka Obi never did that. Maybe it is as a result of pomposity, or maybe it is as a result of, I am bigger than you, you are smaller than me. I don't actually know what happened, but I was expecting Evangelist Ebuka Obi to also pay a courtesy visit to Reverend Father Mbaka before leaving for Lagos yesterday. But Ebuka Obi never did that. For me, it is very bad. It is not okay by me at all. He would have stepped a foot into Father Mbaka's adoration ministry. And let me tell you, it would have gained Ebuka Obi much more supporters and followers across the southeast. But Ebuka Obi never did that. Maybe because he felt there is no need to visit Father Mbaka. There is no need to ask for forgiveness. because I have followers. I have people supporting me across Nigeria. So why should I visit Father Mbaka? Remember, Father Mbaka, Ebuka Obi and Okunerere, the three of them are Catholics and they are men of God, and we are in the Lenten season. I was thinking that Ebuka Obi would have used this wonderful opportunity to actually remember his days of his ritual beginning, but he never did that. I was also expecting Reverend Father Professor Paul Obi, aka Okunerere, to tell Ebuka Obi to go and visit Father Mbaka to make peace with Father Mbaka, because we are in the Lenten season. But Father Obi never did that. I was very disappointed with Father Obi because he is a Catholic priest and he actually knew that Ebuka Obi and Father Mbaka are not in good terms. Instead of him to call the both of them to order, instead of him to ask the both of them to make peace, he was enjoying what was happening. Because I heard the song that he sang at this meeting, at this event. I heard what he said at this event. He said something about Arrangee. He is not supposed to do that. Just like what happened last year. He went to visit Ebuka Obi and he made some statements. As a Reverend Father, I never expected Father Okunerere to make such statements when he visited Ebuka Obi at Ngobala. Father Okunerere is much more at the center, and he is older than Father Mbaka and Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and he is in the middle. I expected Father Okunerere to bring peace between Ebuka Obi and Father Mbaka, but he never did that. He was busy singing, saying Arrangee, saying all manners of things. This is a Reverend Father. What we expected from Reverend Father, from ordained priest of God, is what? Peace. Bring peace when there is no peace. That is what I expected from this Reverend Father. And not to add fuel in a burning fire. You don't do that because you are a priest. Apart from being a priest, you are a lawyer. You are a professor. You are supposed to teach Ebuka Obi and Father Mbaka, but you are there adding fuel to a burning fire. It is not good at all. Father Okunerere, you heard what Ebuka Obi said last year when you went to visit him at Ngobala. You know, there is a Reverend sister that came and was not happy the way Reverend sister went to Ebuka Obi Ngobala, knelt before Ebuka Obi to ask Ebuka Obi to pray for them. The Reverend sister was not happy with those Reverend sisters that went to Ngobala, knelt before Ebuka Obi for Ebuka Obi to pray for them. What did Ebuka Obi do and say? I was not expecting Ebuka Obi to do anything or to say anything, but he attacked that Reverend sister. He attacked those that were ordained. He said, if they repeat that again, or if that sister repeat what she say again, she is going to expose that Reverend sister. He made so many comments about the Catholic Church, which is not good. I was expecting Father Okunerere to caution Ebuka Obi. Furthermore, during the Miracle Mansion saga, Ebuka Obi, being a Catholic, made some statements that never augured well with me. According to Ebuka Obi, he said that 2 priests from the southeast are trying to blackmail him. I was expecting Professor Reverend Father Okunerere to openly call Ebuka Obi to order, but Okunerere never did that because, mind you, the Professor Reverend Father is an ordained man of God. So an attack on Reverend Fathers is also an attack on Okunerere. I was expecting him to call Ebuka Obi openly to order, but he never did that. He was busy singing for him yesterday. And Ebuka Obi forgot his ritual beginning and went back to Lagos without visiting Father Mbaka. It is unfair. I never expected that from Ebuka Obi. And the Reverend Father Professor was carried away with the euphoria of the event. He forgot to tell Ebuka Obi to go and make peace with Father Mbaka. It is unfair. Guys, this is where I am going to stop. What do you think? For me, I think Ebuka Obi visiting Reverend Father Professor Paul Obi, aka Okunerere, was to pepper Father Mbaka. This is my submission. What do you think? Drop a comment for me. Thank you.
Arrangee.
They play the show.
God is using him miraculously. I heard what Evangelist said one day, and God raised him up. Oh, what happened now? Onye Chineke letara ma bulie ọla Ebuka Obi. Amara Chukwu si n'eluigwe wee bịa ime n'ụwa na gbasara ya n'anya. Na ihe anyị bụ n'aka nwanne anyị mmadụ nwere ike inye testimony. Onye che testimony ọ bụla ọ bụla eziokwu gbasara ya. What we have seen in his hand is wonderful. God is using him. We have seen it. We know it. All we know of it. You know what you know I'm saying. I got to talk about one thing or the other. Always you. Always you. What will you have now? All we know, Charles. I must get on. You want to tell you? I want you to say, "Mara, Apollo, no way." I want you to say, "Apollo, no way." Apollo, never go. Apollo, never go. I am going there. I am going there. All we talk, I'm going to go. You don't want my man to go away. Why not one thing? It's be free. It's not new. All we talk, I'm going to go. You don't know anybody. I for your blessing. Now, no kai, a good nobody will look at you. Man, I go in and make a good now, boy.